Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upload an image to Adobe Express. In order to do that, first of all you have to log in into Adobe Express. After that you will get to see this kind of interface. Now if you want to start from your own image, just click on this start from your content and choose image after that. For example, as you can see here, now just click the image and upload from mobile or click open. Now, if you have existing project which you want to add a new image, so for example, I will just click on this project, uh, for example, this one. Now, I just want to add my video or image. I will just simply click on the upload over here. As you can see here in the left, click on the upload. Now just click on the open. Now it will upload the whole image. Now as you can see here, you can just resize the image and you can just play with that. You can just click on the this double icon. You can set backward or send to the back. I will just send into backward, uh, bring forward. As you can see here, the text is over there, but the dog's photo is behind the text. So this is how you can add or upload image to Adobe Express.